Students, here's a benchmark for what I expect for the explanation part of the assignment. So this is how I would do it. This is how I expect you to do it. This is assignment number 1. So I'm going to start now. I'm going to explain what an object is, right? So what is an object? I'm going to type an object, right? So I have defined a class, and here is the object. Oh, sorry, I need to run the code first. 1 second, sorry. Okay, so I typed in person1, and it gives me access to 1, 2, 3, 4 variables and the method. So this is an object, right? And I'm calling the method in this object person1. And I'm going to run that. Okay, this is an object, right? So a definition of an object is a custom data type. This person1 is a data type, okay? It's a data structure that I define, right? That organizes and encapsulates variables and methods, okay? Encapsulates variables and methods. So here are the variables: first name, inches, last name, pounds. Here's a method. It's a function defined inside the class, right? Okay, so speak. Now, it's not that clear, even this explanation, right? It is used near interchangeably with instance. So person1 is an instance or an object of the class person. So we can't understand what what an object means unless you understand what class is, right? So let's see what class is. This is where we defined the class. All right, so the definition of the class is we define the variables. Here are the variables, and here is the method, right? So we define this class right here, and then this is a class now. This person1 is of this class, this data structure, and it has these values in it, right? So I want to, what I would have here, I would have the next definition right here of class, so I would explain it right there, okay? So what do I mean? Sorry, I would have brought this over and said a custom data type comprised of multiple variables and or methods. Instances of objects are created based on the template provided. Okay, so that explanation is right here, see? Here's the class, here are the variables, here's the method, and the last part of the explanation is this right here, person1 equals person. If you want to know, that's what we're talking about here. Instances or objects are created based on the template provided by the class. Again, this is the template, and this is where you create it, calling the template. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to stop the recording, but I want you to embed these explanations right inside the assignment, where you can have sections. You can add sections right here and hide the sections with your definitions, and then show me the code. Show me the code right here, and then drop down and show me the definitions and see how the definitions relate to that. That's how I expect this assignment to look. To add these sections, you click up here, and then you can just add sections. So you can add the sections, definitions here, whatever you want to call it, and then you can hide it, and it looks a lot neater. Okay, so I'm going to stop right there. If you have any questions on recording this between now and Sunday at midnight, please let me know. This recording also has to be uploaded somewhere where I can see it, and we can do that. I can show you how to do that, to post it into your web portfolio.